Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I am coming at you with a quick craft haul video. I have a couple of items that I purchased from scrapbook.com, Gina Marie Designs, and Spellbinders. So let's get started. So first, from scrapbook.com, I purchased this Fruit Paradise Collection Fruit Lovers 12x12 paper by Prima. I just thought it was really pretty. It has some foil accents, and this is actually the cut apart page. I just bought a couple of sheets of this, and even the other side of the paper is really pretty with the green distress look with the little butterflies and the flower and garden seed pack look. So really pretty paper. So I can't wait to use those. So also, to go with that same collection, I purchased this sticker pack. It has 48 stickers, and they're all little different fruit and a couple of butterflies, and they kind of like post-it stamps. And that's why I picked those up. I thought they were really pretty. I really like this one here. It's the peaches, it says. So peachy. So I got a pack of these. It's 48. And then from the same collection, again, I purchased these chipboard stickers. There's 39 of them. And just really heavy quality. Really pretty. With the gold accent, heart, and butterfly. And then on the back, you have some fruits and look at that pear, and they're just gorgeous, really pretty. So that was that collection. And I also purchased a Julie Nutting doll, and this is Claire, and she's really cute doll. I've been looking at the newer dolls and trying to see if I want to add them to my collection. I'm really trying to pay attention to how I would paper piece them, because that's how I like to do my Julie Nutting dolls, paper piece them. And I just thought this one is perfect. Even has this really nice wreath stamp. So it says family, friends, family, home, and thankful. So this is Claire. I should have stamped her out to show you guys, but sorry. And then on markdown or clearance, they had this Sizzix thin lint Tim Holtz die. It's 10 pieces, and it makes out these super cute, adorable Halloween figures. I cannot wait to use this next year. I may go ahead and cut them out just to piece them together, because they are so cute. Look at that cat. He has glasses on, and then a mommy with his eyes, and just, I was so happy to see this marked down. And then scrapbook.com was kind enough to also include a giveaway. They have this cute little art impression unmounted clear stamp, and it's I think it's a scrapbook exclusive. It says really cute little bunny, trying to get warm for the winter. Then from Spellbinders, I picked up this really pretty fancy edge oval die set. It has 7 dies in it, and I think so here's how they cut out. Here is the one that just has a stitch edge. I think I needed to run that through my Cuttlebug again. And then here is the frame where I used 2 of the dies like that, so I could have this outline frame. So it's really cute. And then here it is again in brown. And then once again, this is when you don't use another die with it. And this is really cute oval die set. And then from Gina Marie, I picked up some additional dies. Trying to get dies that I will actually use. So this one is the nested scallop stitch rectangle. You get 5 dies with this one. And I cut the largest one out, which is, I don't have it measured on the back. I thought it was somewhere like 4 1/4 and 5 maybe. But it cuts out really well on my Cuttlebug. You have the little stitches there and then the scallop edge. And then here's the smaller one. And then once again, I used the 2 dies to cut out a frame. Not sure about this frame. Maybe you should have used the die next to it. It's a little thick. I don't know. Not digging it. But that's that one. And then the next one is the Rick Rack Nested Rectangle Die Set. It comes with 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9 dies. And when you look at this, you're not sure how this is going to look unless you look at the example that they provide on the website. And this one is, the largest one is 4 by 5 1/4, and this is what it looks like. So it's really pretty. Super simple, nice layer for your cards. And here's 2 that I put together, the smallest one and the one above it. So that's the Rick Rack Rectangle. Wow, say that 10 times fast. And then I also purchased the Rick Rack Nested Oval Die. And this is what it makes. It also comes with 9 dies. And here's a smaller one so you can get the contrast there. Super cute. Super cute. And the next one is a little fancy one called the Big and Little Pierce Chain Rectangle. And this has 7 dies in it. And the largest one is 4 by 5 1/4. The only thing I don't like about Gina Marie Design dies is that once you come down from the big one, the sizes are kind of weird. They're not, I guess that's because they're nesting, but, you know, when you try to see what size they are there, that one where you almost have to have a math degree to figure out where it is on the ruler. And there's the smallest one, super cute. I really like this one. I was really pleased at how well this cut out on my Cuttlebook. And then Gina Marie was nice enough to give me a freebie. Maybe she knows one of my favorite colors is green. I don't know. But this is really pretty. These are really pretty. So I wanted to share a card that I just made this afternoon. And I'm going to hold it like this. So this is one of my favorite, let's see which way it goes. Yeah, it goes like this. This is one of my favorite designs to make. This is an Alta Nu die. And then I had some black velvet ribbon on my desk. So I thought I'd use that. So don't you hate, this is for a friend and coworker. So everybody's signature will go in here. So I make it double-sided. And so just when you're finished with a card, and then I realized I didn't have my stamp on it, and I went to stamp it, and then I dropped it on the ink pad, and then that's what happens. Right there at the end. Totally finished card, and then I dropped it on the ink pad. So I'm going to try to use my eraser to see if I can get some of that off. I don't know. I have a feeling that I'm going to be making this card again. That just really bums me out. So anyway, let me know what you think about the craft haul. And I want to thank you guys for watching. And to all my subscribers, thank you for subscribing. And I have an order coming from Frank Garcia. So I want to share that with you later on this week. It's some additional paper that I've picked up. So thank you guys for watching. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye.